Your front door is the #1 target for porch pirates and intruders. So what are you doing to protect it? I tested 17 of the newest doorbell cameras on the market, from the biggest names to the hidden gems. And after months of testing for video quality, alerts, and battery life, 5 stood out above the rest. The #1 pick on this list caught something on my porch so shocking, it made me change my #1 choice entirely. Watch to the end to see the footage. All the links to buy the top models are in the description below. Number 1. Google Nest Doorbell. The Nest Doorbell has built-in intelligence and can tell the difference between a person, package, animal, and vehicles and send you an alert in the Google Home app. 1. No subscription required. Controller type: Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, connectivity protocol, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Power source type: battery powered. Easily check in from anywhere 24/7 with live HD video with HDR and night vision. 1. See what you missed with 3 hours of free event video history. 2. Or add a Nest Aware subscription, sold separately, for up to 60 days of event video history. 3. If your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage, the Nest Doorbell will store up to 1 hour of recorded events so you can see what you missed. 4. The Nest Doorbell is easy to install wired or wire-free. The built-in battery means it works with any door, or connect it to your existing doorbell wires with the included wire connector. Number 2. Blink Video Doorbell. Video Doorbell is our second-generation smart security doorbell with up to 2 years of battery life, an expanded field of view, and improved security features for more peace of mind, no matter where you are. Last longer with 2-year battery life. Experience up to 2 years of continuous security coverage with 3 included AA Energizer lithium batteries and a Blink Sync module, sold separately. See more at your door. Greet guests and watch packages get delivered, day and night, with head-to-toe HD view and infrared night vision. Use two-way talk to hear and speak through the Blink app. Set up in minutes. Easily install wire-free or connect Video Doorbell to existing doorbell wiring. When wired, Video Doorbell will sound through your home. Without wiring, you can use your Blink Mini 2 camera, sold separately, as an indoor plug-in chime. You'll also get alerts on your Blink app with each doorbell press. Always know who's there. As part of a Blink subscription plan, sold separately, get alerts whenever a person is detected and enjoy features like Blink Moments, which stitches together clips into a single video to save and share. Save and share clips. Securely store your footage in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of a Blink subscription plan, sold separately. Number 3. Eufy Security Video Doorbell. Dual cameras, double security. 2 cameras work together to deliver advanced viewing. The front-facing camera focuses on people, while the downward-facing camera fills in the gaps with a view of the floor in front of your door. Color night vision for a clear view. Introducing the industry's first dual light system paired with an advanced light capturing and processing algorithm. Less blur than previous iterations of night vision and a clear nighttime viewing distance of up to 16 feet, 5 meters. See what matters in 2K Full HD clarity. 2K clarity reveals more details. Get clear and detailed visuals of your doorstep and anyone who drops by. Battery or wired, your choice. Battery mode makes installation easy. Keep a spare quick-release battery for quick swaps and avoiding downtime due to charging. Wired mode is also powered by the battery, which is topped up by the wired power source for long-lasting performance. Note: wired mode requires the battery to be installed and a power source power should be connected with 16 to 24V and 10 VA. Number 4. Aqara Video Doorbell G4. HomeKit Secure Video Doorbell and Local Face Recognition. Connect your Aqara Video Doorbell G4 to Apple HomeKit Secure Video to keep your data safe. Asterisk to record and playback using HomeKit Secure Video, a subscription to iCloud is required. Notifications can be sent to your Apple devices. The G4 is a unique video doorbell camera which features local AI that can be used for face recognition alerts, automations and much more. HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT are supported. 24/7 recording and multiple storage methods. 24/7 recording helps you to check your front door. Micro SD card, not included, must be inserted. 24/7 recording is only available in wired powering mode. The event-based cloud storage of up to 7 days is included. MicroSD cards of up to 512 GB are also supported by the Chime repeater and cannot be accessed from outside. The G4 also supports local NAS storage using the Samba protocol. A supported microSD card and SMB-compatible software are required. Long battery life and wired powering for the Doorbell main module. The G4 can be powered by a 6AA 1.5V battery pack. Batteries are included, or connected to existing Doorbell wiring *** for constant power. *** Doorbell transformers and power supplies of 12-24V AC and 8-24V DC are supported. The Doorbell's dimensions are 5.57 inches by 2.56 inches by 1.20 inches, and it is recommended to be installed on a porch or shaded area. Number 5. REOLINK Video Doorbell. 2K Super HD and 4:3 aspect ratio. Enjoy the super wide field of view of 135 degrees, h, x 100 degrees, v, x 180 degrees, d. Find the right position for your doorbell with its 15 degrees wedge kit. Incredible 2K HD, along with advanced HDR, 3D DNR, and distortion correction technologies, provides sharp and detailed images even in low light conditions. Chime V2 included and answer the door faster. Plug the Chime included into any electrical socket in any room and be confidently alerted when visitors knock. You can choose one of its 10 tunes and adjust its volume. You can also preset voice messages or automatic replies for times when you're occupied. Chime compatibility, REOLINK Chime V2. Easy and reliable post setup. Finish the installation in minutes with a power over Ethernet design, power supply not included, also with unmatched stability, data transfers with no reliance on spotty signal but with a wired connection. An internet break won't stop it from 24/7 recording. Please note that a third-party NVR is not supported. Supports 12-24V AC 50/60 Hz, 24V DC power, IEEE 802.3 AF PO switch, injector, or REOLINK PO NVRs. So, which of these 5 champions is going to be guarding your front door? Whether it's the crystal clear video of our top pick or the incredible battery life of the budget option, your home will be safer for it. Click the first link in the description to check the latest prices on the mentioned number 1 pick, e.g., Brand X Pro. If this video helped you make a decision and possibly save your packages, *** like *** the video. *** share *** this with a friend or family member to help protect their home too. And *** subscribe *** and hit the bell, because next week we're revealing the one doorbell camera that major retailers are secretly phasing out for being *** too *** good. You don't want to miss it.